In this video, I will show you how you can easily put a video into a text using After Effects to achieve results just like this, or even go more complex by putting multiple videos into your text. So let's dive in. And before we start, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel and stay till the end because I have a free gift just for you. So use your text tool and type in whatever text you want. I'll type in text and hold shift and scale it up from the side. I think it's okay. Then press Ctrl and click on my anchor point to keep my anchor point at the center, and align this to the center so you can bring in whatever video you want to use from your file manager. All you need to do is simply scale the video down to our text size and just keep the video below the text you want the video to be inside, and toggle switch to mode when you see track matte and change this to alpha matte. And as simple as that, you're ready to go. You can press P for position to adjust the video to the desired area, or press S to scale the video, and your video is set. What about wanted to achieve something like this? Easy. So all you need to do is duplicate your text. I'll change the color of the one beneath to maybe a red color. Once you do that, go to your text tool. Go to your text tool and highlight all the other text and delete them. So what we are doing is basically separating each word. So I'll change this to an E. Double click here and change it to E. So just repeat this process for all your other words. So once you're done, you can start bringing in your videos. So change forward C, change this to alpha matte, press P and shift S for scale and position, and adjust it to this area. Yeah, I think it's perfect around here. Yeah. So do this for our E. So bring in a video for our E, or use this. So you just keep the video you want to use beneath the alphabet, which is our E, and change this to alpha matte so it enters our E layer, and press S for scale and shift P for position. So adjust the video to fit the E, which is okay. So it's a very simple process. So you just have to do this for all your other words, and you're ready to go. You can pre-compose all your layers, name it text or whatever you want to name it. Press S for scale and go to 2 seconds and create a keyframe for scale, and go to the start point and increase this to around 120, and select those keyframes and go to keyframe assistant and easy, and you have this. So simple. So I'm giving out free fonts with free. Their individual license. These are fonts I've been using over the years, so check the description link below. And for more content like this, a sub to the channel will be more notifying. Thanks for watching, and always stay creative. Peace.